let's put some gas in it. See if it'll run for real. Here we go. Seems okay so far. Don't see any leaking. Oh, I'm gonna turn it on first. Oh, I gotta close that. Whoops. Hang on a second here. All right, we will try again. Hope it doesn't spill out this time. Okay, nice. Also, we have no choke. It's just a open air there, so I guess it's kind of like it's on choke maybe. But we'll see what transpires. Pretty good. We don't got much juice left. Yeah, that's too bad. We're so close. Oh, I've been here for like an hour and a half. She's not quite there. Almost. Something's just a little bit off. I have to clean it out, I guess. Or I already did that, but figure something out. Anyways, that thing's leaking. The petcock. So that's a bummer. Leaking there too, so. So it's the next day after not getting anywhere, but I took the car back out and readjusted the fuel screws. And I think that did the trick. So. There we go. No choke, works, just starts right up. Sounds pretty good too. So that's pretty awesome. It's having some leaking though. Yeah, it's not leaking at the moment, but it was. A little weird. So it was running good, but found the leak. It was this guy here. He bridges the gap on the fuel right here, right there, from this carb to the other, and that's where it was leaking. So, gotta get new O-rings for this guy. What fun.